told that the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus L is equal to 0. Are P and Q. And the roots of the equation x square plus 13x plus M is equal to 0 are Q and R. We are also told that Q is the arithmetic mean of P and R. If Q is the arithmetic mean of P and R, it would mean that Q is equal to P plus R divided by 2, or 2Q is equal to P plus R. We are required to find out the value of L into M. So in any quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if the roots of this quadratic equation are, say, L and M, then the value of the sum of the roots, that is L plus M, is equal to minus b by a. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square, and the product of the roots L into M is equal to c by a. So in the first equation we know that the sum of the roots p plus q is equal to minus 7. So p plus q is equal to minus 7, and in the second equation we know that the sum of the roots, that is q plus r, is equal to minus 13. So you have one equation, you have the second equation, and you have the third equation. So you have three equations and three unknowns. You can calculate the value of P, Q and R. Based on that, we'll calculate the value of L and M, and then we'll calculate the value of L into M. The easiest way to solve it is by adding 1 and 2. If you're adding the first and the second equation, you'll get P plus 2Q plus R is equal to minus 7 minus 13, which is minus 20. But what is the value of P plus R? The value of P plus R is 2Q. So this becomes equal to 4Q is equal to minus 20, or the value of Q is equal to minus 5. If Q is equal to minus 5, what is the value of P? P will equal minus 7 plus 5, so this will equal minus 2. And what will the value of R be? It will be minus 13 plus 5, which is equal to minus 8. So now you know the value of P, Q and R. What is the value of L? L is the product of the roots P and Q, so L is equal to P into Q, which is equal to minus 2 into minus 5, which is 10. Similarly, in the second equation, M is the product of the roots, so M is equal to Q into R, which is equal to minus 5 into minus 8, which is equal to 40. So the value of L into M will be equal to 10 into 40, which is 400, which is option A.